Well, unfortunately, I'm not in a place where you're going to hear the air horns today of this train. We're just about right near downtown Iron Mountain, Michigan. This is a no train horn zone. Just missed this at my house. Anyway, I wanted to show you this cool signal right here. No left turn. I think it's pretty cool. What do you think? DLS 503 and 501 back. One in the back locomotive, chilling for the ride. Chilly day right now. It's about 0 degrees. That is 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Our low last night was about -12. To be honest, I have not looked to see what it's going to be tonight, other than freaky cold. Holy mackerel, look at the rust on that. Rusty. Look at all the snow up on top as well. Not sure where these came from, but yeah, yeah, my fingers are frozen. Should have wore a pair of gloves. Anyway, I decided to take off the intro. Too many dislikes, and I honestly don't like it either, so it's gone. Rusty Rail, Orange Freddy. Check out the new hotel. We're looking pretty fancy there. Anyway, guys, make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and make a comment below.